you got a CK truck, C10 truck, and you don't know about our stuff, the plaids, if you're not looking at this about doing it in your interior, you're behind the times. Blues, we got browns, we got black and red. Now we showed this at SEMA like 3 years ago and finally came to be last year. So if you're gonna get something, you better get with it quick. Come on over and check out our Blazer interior. This is basically a complete interior. It's our classic buckets, center console, dash pad, door panels, and we do a rear kit. We do a rear kit with under rail in case you're gonna use our bed caps when you take your top off, or if you're not, you can run the tall ones so they won't interfere. And like I said, dash pad panels all the way around the back. This was a little custom wrap we did on the tank. We don't do those, but, and then of course sun visors to match. Check out our square body complete interior. Again, we've got the classic buckets with the plaid material, which is super hot for us right now with the trucks. The deluxe center console, door panels with matching plaid, dash pad, also steering wheel and hub kit.